All right, here we go. We're walking out to the plane. We're going to taxi it over to the service center. I've got an angle of attack heater fail. So the heater on the angle of attack indicator, which is this right here, this angle of attack indicator, the heater just intermittently failing. So we'll get our chocks. All right, open the door. All right. Ooh, it's nice and warm. Let's hurry up and close the door, keep the warm in. And then something else I'm gonna do real quick before I get going, I'm gonna get that book up there. All right. Oh, let's see if I can climb up. I'm gonna take these off. Oh. Here's what I'm gonna do. Set the camera down just for a second. I'm gonna write down my times because they always want, let's look at the logbook here. They always want the hours and cycles. So 98.3 and 70 cycles. And then I'll put fuel on board. I'll write that down when we get there, because they'll ask me that too, even though we're not doing anything fuel related. All right, I'm gonna turn the generators back on for start. I'll turn on the battery. I don't need to turn on the emergency lights and the standby display like I normally would. We'll wait till everything boots up. Everything's booted up. I'll take off my hat. All right. I don't know if where I want to put this. Where should I clamp this? Let's see where I can clamp this. Maybe we'll clamp it right there on my headset. All right. We're gonna start the right engine first. Ooh, that feels about 30 pounds low. Got rotation, got ignition, got oil pressure. In one rotation. Fairly cool start, right around 600 degrees, so that's good. Alright, and we're just waiting for that to stabilize. I usually wait for that temperature to go away. I know it's nice and stable. And the amperage has dropped 110, 105, 100. You don't have to wait for it to drop, but I like to see it drop. So it's both starters.
In there, Joe 125 Heavy, I did misspeak. You are approved to push back on Juliet, sir. I didn't see there on the cargo ramp. All right, push
Pause
back on Juliet.
system test. Okay.
All right, in one rotation. Nice and stable, nice cool start. All right. Release the brakes. Ground citation 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Citation 300 Juliet Whiskey, reach for ground.
So 300 Juliet Whiskey's at signature. You need to reposition the Cessna.
Citation 300 Juliet Whiskey, proceed citation via Kilo 1, Mike 1, Mike Charlie, cross runway 23 left at Kilo 1.
Kilo 1, Mike 1, Charlie, crossing 23. conditioner. I can just shut down. I don't have to do anything after shutdown. I just shut down, get my fuel, and then turn off the battery. Park next to this little Mustang. $19.50. All right, thanks for watching.